Good morning, children. Now already we finished history first lesson and geography lesson also. Today we are going to see about civics first lesson, that is equality. What is equality, children? Yes, all are equal before law, whether we may be gender, that is male or female, rich or poor, educated or uneducated, literate or illiterate, whoever may be, we are having the equal rights in India. In India, we are following democracy. Democracy is the people, the rule of the people. Understand, democracy is of the people, by the people and for the people. So, everything it belongs to people only. We the citizen of India, we are very important in India, in democratic country. Understand? Likewise, in India, we have the all the equality we have. The rights to equality, right to freedom of speech, right against exploitation. These are all the what we can rights which the Constitution has given to us. Understand? Indian Constitution has framed and it drafted in the year 1950. That is the Republic. We got the Republic and we have the Republic Day on 26th January. So, from that we follow the Constitution of India. So, in the Constitution itself, they gave the right to all the citizens of India. One of the right is equality. That only we are going to see in this lesson. So, in India, they gave the right to all men and women, all in the race, whether we belong to any religion, Hinduism, Christianism, Buddhism, Jainism, Islam, whoever it may be, which religion we belong to, it doesn't care. Understand? So, and the languages, the linguistic item also, if we speak Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Urdu, Oriya, then Gujarati, Marathi, Hindi, many languages we are speaking. But even though all the people of India, we are having the equal rights. All the states, we have the equal rights. Understand? That and all we are going to see in this lesson. Have you understand, children? Okay, shall we start the lesson? So, these are all the introduction only. Now, we are going to see about equality. Now, here, in this equality, whether some people in India, they are fair in color. Fair na abbe vella velena irupanga. Some people like wheat color, brown color, enna madri brown color la irupanga. Some people will be black in color. Understand? But even though white இருக்கிற people மட்டும் தான் நிறைய qualities எல்லாம் இருக்கு அப்படியா? Not at all. So, equality is this law is equal to all, whether it's maybe color different, race different, caste different, religion different, language different, whether male or female, rich or poor, literate or illiterate. Understand? படிச்சவங்க படிக்காதவங்க, educated, uneducated, employed, unemployed, whatever it may be, whoever it may be, law is equal before to all. Understand? That only equality. And this now we are going to see about what is equality. Equality is ensuring individuals or grouping. Equality is ensuring individuals or in group or in groups that are not treated differently. That are not treated differently is called equality. Differently, that is in the sense of race, color, gender, in all. Understand? There should not be any different for any people. Can you able to follow? ஆணா இருக்கலாம், பெண்ணா இருக்கலாம், படிச்சிருக்கலாம், படிக்காம இருக்கலாம், வேலைக்கு போகலாம், வேலைக்கு போகாத இருக்கலாம், whoever it may be, யாராக இருந்தாலும் சரி. law is law is equal. Understand? All are equal before law. சட்டத்துக்கு முன்பாக everybody is, we are equal. That is called equality. Can you able to follow? So, equality ensuring what? Individual or groups that are not treated differently. Understand? Not treated. யாருமே different கிடையாது. Nobody is different. All are equal. That is called equality. Okay. And now, importance of equality. Equality is more powerful moral. It is powerful moral, more powerful moral and political ideal that has inspired and guided human society for centuries. Yeah, why we should have equality? Why the countries we should have equality to all? அப்படினு கேட்டா politically and even society, in politically, in the government, okay, the economic condition, in legislature, in judiciary, in executive, in all that we are having equal rights to all. Okay, so we all the countries should have equality. Equality is very important to all the nation, all the people of the world. Okay, can you able to follow? Not only the country, even each and every family, we have equality. In some families, they will say, only the father, they are going for the job. The mothers will be in the house. The fathers, in some families only, not all the families, some families, the fathers, they are treating women, the mother, as slaves. Understand? Only for the working as machines. Okay, to see the children, to wash the clothes, to cook the food, for that, to cleaning the household, to see the house. That only they should not talk in the families. They should have no equal right to say their ideas. In some families they will be like that. Okay, but nowadays even the women also, they are going for a job. Even from the lower category, many women, they are driving auto. Can you see? பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா நீங்க? Have you seen anywhere? Many women, they are driving autos. Many women, they are driving car. Many ladies, they are driving scooties and even bullet they are driving. And some of the women, even they are they are like the profession as pilots. Many women, they are air hostess. இல்லை நம்ம பார்த்துருக்கோம்ல, ஏர் ஹோஸ்டஸாக இருக்காங்க இல்லை. நம்ம ஏரோப்ளேன்லனா போனாங்கன்னா தே வில் நல்லா அழகாக ஸ்மார்ட்டாக இருப்பாங்க அவங்கள பார்க்கும் போதே. நீங்கள் பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா? இல்லை, இன் சினிமாஸ் அண்ட் ஆல். நீங்கள் ஏரோப்ளேனில் போயிருந்தீங்கன்னா யூ கேன் see the air hostess, or else in cinemas and in television, or else in the pictures we saw. And even this Kalpana Chawla, she is an astronomer. Satellite-லேயே போயிட்டு வந்திருக்கிறாங்க. Even women, they entered the moon also. So nowadays the women, we are very courage. So children, the girls, don't be worried. Okay, be the teacher. I am always supporting the girls. The girls should have courage. Girls should have what we can say, the equal rights in everything. Nowadays even the government, the government ensured that equal rights to all the children. Even it may be a male or female, equal rights should be given to all. Even the what we can say, the what we can say, சொத்துரிமை சொல்கிறோம்ல, அது என்ன பண்ணியிருக்காங்க? Equal to the properties which belong to the parents, it should be equally given to the girls also. A law was prohibited, and law was the government, it gave a law. Can you able to follow? So we are having the equal rights to all. So equality is very important in the democratic country. Understand? In India, we have equality. And we have the democratic ideals such as liberty, equality, and fraternity. Liberty, equality, and fraternity. Here, the justice, the judiciary of India, it implemented liberty. What is liberty, children? Liberty means freedom. Freedom to all. We are having freedom of speech, freedom of right to have property, freedom to learn any education. Even many doctors, nurses, we are having the profession, the teaching profession. Understand? Ladies kuda irukkranga. Can you able to follow? So, liberty, freedom to all. Then equality, all are equal. Equality is given to all. And fraternity, fraternity means the voting right. It's given to all the people, those who are attaining 18 years. Brotherhood, solrolla ella, sagodharatvam, fraternity in the political rights we are having. So, the judiciary also, it is giving equal right to all. So, equality is very important in the democracy. Okay, next we are going to see about the kinds of equality now. Kinds of equality. Here, one by one we will see it now. There are 4 kinds of equality. How many kinds of equality are there? 4 kinds of equality. First one, social equality. In society, we are having the equal. That is social equality. Second one is civil equality. Civil equality. And the third one is political equality. Political equality. And the fourth one is gender equality. So, these are the 4 kinds of equality which the government of India, which the constitution, it provides to all the citizens of India. Can you able to follow? What are the kinds of equality? First one is social equality. Second one is civil equality. Third one is political equality. And the fourth one is gender equality. One by one we will see it now. Social equality, first one. Social in the sense, in the society. In the society, we are having many religions. What are the religion? You know religions, you just say Christianity, Hinduism, Islam, Buddhism, Jainism, Zoroastrianism, understand? Sikhism. So many religion we are having in India, and many people we are following. We are having the right to follow any religion. Can you able to follow? That is called as secularism. So we are following. India is not a Hindu country. You have to know this. India is not belong to Hinduism, the only Hinduism. Understand? India is not belong to any religion. India, we are having secular country. India is a secular country, and we the people, we can follow any religion. We can follow one. If we will be by born will be a Hindu. Afterwards, if we want to convert into Islam, we can convert, or any other religion. We can follow any other religion, and we can marry also. The male or female, understand? They can marry any women. In the religion women nama marriage, intercaste marriage pandranga, inter-religion marriage pandranga. So we are having the equal sociality, that is called as social equality. Understand? In society, whoever it may be, which religion we can follow, which caste. நம்மளோட கான்ஸ்டியூஷன் ஆஃப் இந்தியாவில் நம்மளுடைய பாரதியார்லாம் சொல்லியிருக்காரு, ஜாதிகள் இல்லையடி பாப்பா. இல்லை, நம்ம படிச்சிருக்கோம்ல, ஜாதிகள் இல்லையடி பாப்பா. பட் nowadays in all the application from LKG till MBBS, IPS, IAS வரைக்கும் in the form they are asking caste of the candidate அப்படின்னு கேட்குறாங்க. No, it should not be there. Caste should not be there in India. Caste system நம்ம avoid பண்ணணும். We have to eradicate the caste in India. Understand? We should not follow caste in India, caste system in India. So, whether we belong to high caste or low caste, untouchability, everything should be eradicated in India. Understand? Children, you're the pillars for the future India. வருங்காலத்தில் நீங்கள் தான் pillars. So, you have to follow all these. Understand? So, this is called as social equality, means the citizen enjoy equal rights, equal status. The citizens have equal status. That is called as what? Social equality. And there should be no discrimination. No difference போட்டுக்கலாம். No difference in religion, caste, creed, color and race. So, there should be equal status to all. There should no discrimination. There should no differentiate between religion, caste, color, creed. Some people, if they are fair in color, nalla white irundanga, they'll have the proud. Na romba alaga irukken, I am very fair, romba fair white irukken அப்படின்றதுனால கருப்பா இருக்க பிள்ளைங்களை பார்த்து they'll tease. Children, we should not do like that. Understand? நம்ம அதெல்லாம் எதுவுமே பண்ணக்கூடாது. And we are rich, நாங்கள் ரொம்ப ரிச்சாக இருக்கோம், அவகிட்ட ஒன்றுமே இல்லை, ட்ரெஸ்ஸு நல்லாவே பண்ணலை அப்படின்றதுனால we should not ill treat the poor children. We should give a love to the poor children also. Those who are learning with you, those who are getting education, those who are learning in your class, the classmates, you have to give love and affection to other children also. உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கிட்டலாம் அஃபெக்ஷனாக இருக்கணும். Okay, you have to give your love and affection to your classmates. So, that is called as social equality. Can you able to follow? There is no differentiate in caste, religion or race. Now, second one is civil equality. What is civil equality? Civil equality is the civil rights by all citizens. Civil rights should be given to all the citizens. They should be inferior or they are superior or inferior. அப்படி இருக்கக்கூடாது. Rich or poor. There should not be any difference. And we have to follow the equal law of equal to all. Understand? In England, they follow the rule of law, the equal of law. The same, because India, it was governed, once it was under the control of the Britishers. Understand? In Great Britain, they followed the policy of equality. Law is equal before all the citizens. Law is equal. So, the same ideal we are following in India also. In India, we are following the democracy. India is a democratic country. We are following the same which the Germany, the Great Britain, they are following. And we have the civil rights in all. We don't have any superiority or inferiority. And we don't have any rich or poor, the differentiate between rich people and the poor people. Understand? And the educated, uneducated, படிக்காதவங்க, வயசானவங்க, அவங்களெல்லாம் நம்ம அப்படியே இல் ட்ரீட் பண்ணக்கூடாது. We should not inferior பார்க்கக்கூடாது. ஐயோ அவங்கெல்லாம் ஒரு மாதிரி இருக்காங்க. We should not say like that. We have to give our affection to them also. Understand? We have to give help, whatever the help we can do to others. We have to help others. Okay, children? So, these are all, this is called as civil equality. Next, shall we see the next one? Political equality. What is political equality? In this political equality, this right is given, we of having the, India is following the democratic country. India is following democracy. So, people is given the equal rights to all. Okay. So, in political equality, in India, we are following democracy. So, in democratic country, people is very important. That is, what is democracy? Democracy is the rule of people, for the people, by the people and of the people. Everything is belong to people only. Nammala rule pandrathu yaru? The president and prime minister. Once they are people only, the citizen of India. Understand? யாருக்காக அவங்க ரூல் பண்ணுறாங்க? பீப்புளுக்காக தான் they are. யார் அவங்கள எலெக்ட் பண்ணது? We the people only, we elected them. So, democracy means democracy is of the people, by the people and for the people. Understand? That is called as political equality. So, equality is equal. Equally, we are giving the rights to all the people. Understand? Can you able to follow then? Okay. And also we are having the right to vote. In political equality, we are having the right to vote. Right to vote, right to hold public office, hold public office, and we are having the right to criticize the government. We are in democratic country, we are having the voting right. Those who are attaining the age of 18, we are having the voting right, and we can hold any public office. Understand? And in the Constitution of India, the government has provided what we can say special rights to the low caste people, that is SC, ST, and many scholarship also the government is giving to the people. Understand? So, we can hold any public office, we can follow any profession, and even we can have to criticize the government also. Nowadays, the opposition party, we are having the ruling party and opposition party. And the opposition party, it will be always criticize the government only. Whatever the government is doing, the opposition party will criticize the government. So, every people, we are having the right to criticize the government. We are having the right to hold office, public office, and we are having the right to vote in the age of 18. And what we can say, it is very happy to say that only in India first we started the right to election for women. Understand? Voting for women. So, women first vote urimai women ku kodukapatta naadu edu only in India. Understand? We started this in the year voting right to women in the year in 1952 itself. And in Switzerland, they followed in 1971 only. Switzerland. India, we got the right in 1952 itself. The voting right for women. Understand? Pengalukum vakurimai undu. Even the ladies can stand in the election. Understand? Contest in the election. Vakkalikkavum urimai undu. We are having the voting right. And we are having the to contest in the election. வேட்பாளரா நிக்கிறதுக்கும் நமக்கு rights உண்டு. Even many women, especially we can know our ex-Prime Minister, Mrs. Indira Gandhi, the great Indira Gandhi. She was a woman. She ruled the whole of India. She was the Prime Minister. Do you know? Yes. நம்ம கவர்னர் இருந்திருக்காங்க, Fatima Bibi. Even she was a Muslim. ஒரு முஸ்லிமே நம்மள ஹோல் தமிழ்நாடுக்கு என்ன இருந்திருக்காங்க, தென் ஒரு கவர்னராக இருந்திருக்கிறாங்க. அண்ட் பிரதிபா பட்டேல், she was a president. Understand? And even the ex chief minister இறந்து போயிட்டாங்கல்ல, ஆர் a great lady, a strong lady, யார்? ஜெயலலிதா. இல்லை, அவங்கெல்லாம் யார்? விமென். அவங்கெல்லாம் நம்மளை ரூல் பண்ணாங்க. Can you able to follow? Have you understand what I am saying then? So, we are having even women, we are having the voting right, and we are having to contest in the election, and election la win panna we are having the right to rule our country. We don't know. Children, ninga ipa 7th, you are in 7th standard. We don't know. After some years past, even you will be the president, you will be one prime minister, you will be a minister, MLA or MP or member of a parliament. நம்ம யாதுமே நம்ம சொல்ல முடியாது. Understand? You are having the right. So this is called as political equality. And next one is gender equality. What is gender equality? This gender equality is whether we belong to male or female. Whether we may male or female. I told you previously itself, I told you, in some families there should not be given equal right to women. நம்ம வீடுங்களில் கூட சில வீடுங்கள்லாம் அந்த காலத்தில் in previous days நம்ம தாத்தா பாட்டி அந்த காலத்தில் there should not any equal rights to women. அம்மாங்கெல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, கிச்சனில் இருப்பாங்க, they'll be in the kitchen, they'll cook food for the family, they'll wash the clothes and they'll clean the house, they have to care of the children, care of their husband வேலையிலேருந்து வந்தவொடனே அவங்களுக்கு காஃபி எடுத்து போய் கொடுக்கணும். தட் அண்ட் ஆல் த விமென் ஷுட் டூ. அஃப்கோர்ஸ் நம்ம வீட்டில் இருக்கிற விமென் எல்லாம் நம்ம செஞ்சுட்டு தான் இருந்தாங்க. ஈவன் our parents also they are doing okay, but they have to give equal opportunities in some cases. Understand? If the ஃபேமிலியில் ஏதாவது உட்காந்து பேசுகிறாங்க அப்படின்னு சொன்னால், ஏய் நீ போ, உனக்கு ஒன்றும் தெரியாது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு விமென் என்ன பண்ணிடுவாங்க, you are secondary only. The women, they are not given the first position in the family. Equal rights to அப்பாக்கு daddy mummy அப்படின்ற equal rights in some families they are not at all giving. Understand? And even the female children, நீங்கள் கேர்ள்ஸாக இருக்கலாம், நீங்கள் அம்மாங்கெல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, sometimes they'll give more importance, priority to male children only. Understand? They won't give a priority to the female children. பொம்பளை பிள்ளைங்களுக்குலாம் இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் தர மாட்டாங்க. ஆம்பளை பிள்ளைங்களை ஒன்லி they'll make this boys, the children, the male children to study well, நல்லா படிக்க வைப்பாங்க. பொம்பளை பிள்ளைங்க, மம்மி நான் கூட படிக்கிற மம்மி, நீ என்ன இன்னொரு இடத்துக்கு கல்யாணம் தானே பண்ணிட்டு போகிற, லைக் தட் they will say. இல்லை, ப்ரீவியஸ் டேஸ் ரொம்ப வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி அப்படி இருந்துச்சு. பட் nowadays our parents, they are not at all like that. நம்ம எத்தனை பேர் இருந்தாலும், if you want to learn more, if you want to education more, even surely even they are belong to a poor family too. The poor family, father and mother, they wanted to be their children and educated. They want the children to speak in English. நம்ம பிள்ளை இங்கிலீஷில், உங்கள் பேரண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் அப்படி இருக்காங்கல்ல பிள்ளைங்களா? Your parents, they are very happy to see you that you are speaking in English. Even the parents, they are coming and saying, என்னோட டாட்டர் வந்து நல்லா இங்கிலீஷ் பேசுகிறா மிஸ், நீங்கள் நல்லா இங்கிலீஷ் சொல்லி தரீங்களா, நீங்கள் சொல்லி கொடுக்குறது நல்லா புரியுதா எங்கள் பிள்ளைங்களுக்கு, உங்களை ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு the parents are coming and saying. So we are lovable to even the, not only the boys students, especially we are giving our love to even girls children also, girl students also. Understand? So children, whether you may be male or female, both of you are having the equal rights in the family, in school, and even in the society, and even in the country. You are having the equal rights. All are equal. Previously itself I told you, our ex-prime ministers, the great Indira Gandhi, the strong lady, and a great chief minister Jayalalitha, avangalla nama paathom. Understand? They are all very great leaders, very bold. Great leaders endradha vida, they are very bold. Understand? To rule our country. So we may be male or female, we are having the equal rights. And some years pass in the civilization goes away. In before the independence we got, the parents, they won't allow the female children to send to the school. After coming of the great Britishers, the Britishers only started many schools in India, and they admitted the female children also in the schools. They forced the female children to admitted in the schools. They started separate girls school. They started many girls school, and co-education naraya irundhathu. They started many colleges also for women, like what we can say WCC college. Understand? கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கீங்களா? Queen Mary's College for women and Qaida Millet College for women. Understand? And the co-education colleges also we have. Presidency College la irukku, neenga nama paathirkom. In Chennai itself we are having the co-education college, SIT college irukku for women. Understand? Government Arts College irukku for women, both men and women. Understand? So equality, the gender equality means equality, it should be given to male or female, it's different. Understand? Yara irundalum the equality should be given to all the people of India. That is gender equality. Understand? Even the 50% of reservation, it has been given to in the local bodies. Even the government, the Constitution of India, it gave 50% of reservation. Even in high post, many women, they are in the higher posting. IPS irukanga, IAS irukanga. Understand? Many lady candidates. Understand? Many doctors are there. Lady doctors irukanga. Paathirkingalla? In hospitals we can see. Many lady teachers. Teachers nale mostly yaar irupanga? Women only. Understand? So we are having the equal rights. So what are the kinds of equality? There are 4 kinds of equality. What are they? Social equality, civil equality, political equality, and gender equality. Even in the UNO, the United States of this America, in all the countries, and this UNO, this United Nations organization, after the end of the Second World War, they formed this organization to ensure world peace. Understand? So in this UNO, they have some other agencies also. Adula one of the agency is UNICEF, United Nations Children Educational. Understand? And the UNICEF kuda they are giving this importance to women, equality to women. So that is called as gender equality. So these are all about the equality. Now we are going to see about the human dignity. Shall we go to next one? Human dignity. Shall I rub the board, children? Have you all copied this? Are you having your books with you? Every time I am saying that while you are coming to the online classes, you have to sit along with your textbook as well as notebook. Whatever the teachers are writing on the board, you have to copy it down in the notebook. Then only it will be easy for you to revise it. Understand? Okay. Shall I rub the board now? Okay.